Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about on why you can't repost on TikTok. So if you go on share over here, as you can see, I can repost this. But for some posts you won't be able to repost. For example, if you go over to Charlie D'Amelio's page, right, the most famous person on TikTok, and if we choose one of the TikToks from here and then press on share, as you can see, repost is not available. Why is that? Because the creator of the TikTok has the ability to turn off repost. So if I create a TikTok, I have the power of turning off repost so that other people can't post my TikToks. Other people can't repost my TikToks. And so if you can't repost a TikTok, that's mainly because they turn it off, and that's about it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.